Hello guys, Rogi back here with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to install custom skins for CS 1.6. So, okay, here are the steps. Okay, so you open up Game Banana. You go to CS 1.6. That's the page of it. So you search for the model you want. Any skin, you search any skin you want. I'm going to skins models, so I'm going into knife. Okay, so once you're done that, find the skin you want to use. I want the butterfly lure, so that's that skin I want to use. So if you're having trouble finding it, then go to the search bar, then type in lore. This will pop up. Then click here. It says go butterfly knife lore. Then download it. Okay, so when you're finished with the download, you just extract the file, extract the folder. Okay, so you do that, extract it, extract all, then go here, and then do not touch anything here, because you know okay, so this is the step. Okay, so then you copy the file, you copy the model file. Okay, so you go to the folder location where your game folder is located in. Mine is not located here because it's located in games. So we go into games, then kind of like Warzone, CS Strike, models, then you paste it, replace the file in the destination, and then you go ahead and test it out. I'm gonna load up on Dust 2 because that's a map everyone loves. And we're gonna go ahead and test the skin in the game. Okay,
let's go.
Okay, so, and there you go. You got yourself a beautiful butterfly knife lore skin. If you like me to make more videos about this, then make sure to go ahead and subscribe to that channel, like and comment as if you would see my video next. Bye.
Peace out, losers.